Hello everyone.
Hello everybody,
Hello guys,
I'm Tasha.
I'm Anissa.
I'm Halwa.
And I'm Awali Alfi. Let us explain you about linear equation system of two variables. Definition. Linear equation system of two variables is a general linear equation system of two variables x and y can be written as ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c part of real number. Definition linear equation system of two variables can be written as follows. Solution of linear equation system of two variables. The first substitution method. Second elimination method. The third graphic method. The fourth compound method. Substitution method. The idea of substitution method is to solve one of the equation for one of the variables and plug this into the other equation. The steps are as follow. The first, solve one of the equation. You choose which one. For one of the variables, you choose which one. Plug the equations in step 1 back into the other equation. Substitute for the choose variable and solve for the other. Then you get solve for the first variable. Example. Determine the solution set the following linear equation system 3x plus y equal 7 and 2x minus 5y equal 33 by substitution method. Answer. 3x plus y equals 7. Y equal 7 minus 3x. Y equal 7 minus 3x substitute into 2x minus 5y equal 33. 2x minus 5 times 7 minus 3x equal 33. 2x minus 35 plus 15x equal 33. 2x plus 5 2x plus 15x minus 35 equals 33. 17x equal 33 plus 35. 17x equal 68. X equal 68 divided by 17. X equal 4. X equal 4. Substitute into y equal 7 minus 33. 30x. Y equal 30. Y equal 7 minus 3x. Y equal 7 minus 3 times 4. Y equal 7 minus 12. Y equal minus 5. Thus, the solution set is 4 point minus 5.
Second, elimination method. Eliminate means to remove. This method works by removing variables until there is just one left. The idea is that we can safely multiply an equation by a constant except 0. Then add or subtract an equation Example. Determine the solution set the following linear equation system 3x plus 2y equal 19 and x plus y equal 8 using elimination method. Answer. First, multiply. First, we see there is a 2y and a y, so let's work on that. Multiply the second equation by 2. So, the second equation becomes 2x plus 2y equals 16. Then, subtract the second equation from the first equation. Then 3x plus 2y equals 19 minus by 2x plus 2y equals 16. So, we know x is 3. Next, we see the second equation has 2x. So, let's halve it. then subtract with x. Multiply the second equation by a half. So become x plus y equal 8. And then subtract the second equation from the first equation. X equal 3 minus with x plus y equals 8. Become minus y equal minus 5 or y equals 5. Done. X equal 3 and y equal 5. So the completion set is 3.5.
And then the third method is the graph method. Step 1. Determine the intercept on the x-axis by assuming y equals 0 and the intercept on the y-axis by assuming x equals 0. For example, determine x and y on the equation system 2x plus 3y equal 8 and 3x plus y equal 5. On the equation 2x plus 3y equal x, we suppose x equal 0, obtained y equal 8 power 3. So let the intersection point on the y-axis is 0.8 power 3 and we suppose y equal 0, we obtained x equal 4. So let the point of the cut on the x-axis is 4.0. Then do the same thing in the equation 3x plus y equal 5. Step 2. Create the straight lines of the equation in Cartesian a system of coordinates. So it was obtained graphic image like this. Step 3. Intersection point of the equation is the solution of the linear equation system. The intersection point of the graph is 1.2. So the solution of the equation is x equal 1 and y equal 2. Finally, next other method.
And the last compound method, that is with two methods of elimination and substitution. A compound method is a method used to find a set of SPLDV solution by combining two methods at once, namely the elimination method and the substitution method. First, using the elimination method to find one of its variable values. Once the value of the variable is obtained, then the value of the variable is substituted into one of the equation to get the value of the other variable. Next. Example, determine the solution. Set the following linear equation system: x plus 3y equals 9 and 2x plus y equals 8 by compound method. The first eliminates the value of x. First, we see there is a x and a 2x, so let's work on that. Mm, Multiply the first equation by 2. So the result, the first equation 2x plus 6y equals 18, and the second equation 2x plus y equals 8. Subtract the first equation from the second equation. 5y equals to 10. Yay, now we know what y is 2. Substitution of the value y 2x plus y equals 8. 2x plus y equals 8. Now replace y with 2 in the equation. So 2x plus 2 equals 8. Then 2r move to the right. 2x equals 8 minus by 2. 2x equals 6. So the result x equals 3. So the answer is x equals 3 and y equals 2. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Bye bye.